how to install Stumble Guides on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install Stumble Guides game on your Android smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. Now to install Stumble Guides on Android, you first of all make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. So if you have mobile data, you can use mobile data as well, but I would recommend only if you have got unlimited plan, because it's quite a heavy game and it's going to consume quite a lot of data. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. After you've done that, on your Android phone, simply launch your Google Play Store right here. And once you launch your Google Play Store, this is the type of interface you will see. From the bottom, you can just select the search icon that you can see right there and just tap on the search bar from the top. Now after you've done that, just type in Stumble Guides, and of course you can just click on it and you can see the Stumble Guides game will pop up right at the top. And over here, in my case, I have already installed it. That is why you're seeing the play button. But if you haven't installed it, you will find the install button right here. Just select that and wait for a couple seconds or minutes depending upon the strength of your internet connection, and then the app will be installed on your Android phone. This way we can install Stumble Guides on Android. I hope the video helped you out, and if it did help you, to make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.